I am Dr. Ashish Bhargav, HOD Physics in the Department of Physics of Government Engineering College, Bharatpur. As you know, the syllabus of engineering physics has been completed. So now we talk on numerical of different units. In unit first, we have in unit 1 we will discuss the some numerical and assignment as lecture 2. In this lecture, all the numericals are related from unit 1 and most of the numericals are related with Newton ring and Michelson interferometer assignment. This has also given you to as a homework assignment. Now we will solve these numerical. In the Newton numerical 1, in the Newton ring arrangement, the radius of curvature of the curved slide of the plano-convex lens is 100 centimeter. For lambda equal to 6 into 10 to the power minus 5 centimeter, what will be the radius of the 9th and 10th bright rings? As we know, for Newton ring, the m at dark ring is related as Rm square equal to m lambda r. It is equal where m is 0, 1, 2, etc. While the mth ring is related as Rm square equal to m minus half of lambda r. These are the two relation which is applied in Newton ring for dark ring and bright ring. With this formula, it is obvious that the first ring occurs as m equal to 1. When the thickness of air film T equal to lambda by 4, then we will take the formula Rm equal to root of m minus half of lambda r. By putting the value, we have 0.2258 centimeter value of R9 and value of R10 is 0.2387. In the numerical 2, the numerical is in the Newton ring arrangement, the radius of curvature of the curved surface is 50 centimeter. The radius of the 9th and 16th dark ring are 0.18 centimeter and 0.2235 centimeter. We have to calculate the wavelength. As we know that we have the formula for finding the wavelength by lambda equal to d square and m plus p minus d square m divided by 4 p r. So we have to put these values. Before putting, we know that p in this numerical we have the radius of dark ring, 9th dark ring and 16th dark ring. So the p is difference of these dark ring, that is 16 minus 9, that is 7. Radius of curvature is also 50 centimeter. D9, we have to calculate D9, that is double of radius, so that is 0.36 centimeter, and D16 is double of radius of 16th dark ring, then D16 is 0.447 centimeter. By putting the value, In the formula, we have lambda is equal to 5.0149 into 10 to the power minus 5 centimeter, that is 5014.9 angstrom. Now in numerical 3 we have, in the Michelson interferometer arrangement, if one of the mirror is moved by a distance 0.08 mm, 250 fringes cross the field of view, calculate the wavelength. For wavelength, we have the formula 2 delta d divided by delta m. So, as we know that the formula for optical part difference is equal to 2d sin theta, 2d cos theta, and for this problem, without losing generality, we could assume dark ring at the center, that is theta equal to 0. If theta equal to 0, that is, this means cos 0, or in cos 0 we know that equal to 1, then del is equal to 2d, and for here we can say that del is equal to, for dark ring we can say that in Michelson interferometer it is equal to m lambda. By equivalent of both, we have 2d equal to m lambda, or by the numerical del m equal to 250, del d equal to 0.08 mm. By putting these value in the formula, we have 6.4 into 10 to the power minus 4 mm. So we can also write lambda equal to 64 angstrom. Next, fourth numerical is, in the Michelson interferometer experiment, assuming lambda equal to 5 into 10 to the power minus 5 centimeter and d equal to 5 into 10 to the power minus 3 centimeter, we have to find out the values of angle theta and fringe order m for the first, second and third bright ring from the center. As we know, the fringe pattern formula for bright rings is 2d cos theta, which is part difference. It should be equal to m plus of half of lambda. If we find out the value of cos theta, we have m plus of half of lambda, that is 5 into 10 to the power minus 5 divided by 2 into d, means 2 into 5 into 10 to the power minus 10. So we have m plus half divided by 200. As cos theta is less than equal to 1, the first bright ring from the center is at m equal to 199. Cos theta is equal to approx 0.9975, or we can say that theta is equal to 0.0707 radian or 4.05 degree. The second bright ring is at m equal to 198, cos theta equal to 0.9925 or theta equal to 7.02 degree, and the third bright ring is, similarly we can calculate, theta is equal to 9.07 angstrom. Thank you for watching and listening my video. I will also give you some numerical related to Unit First in Google Classroom as a part of assignment. Thank you.